Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're looking at a 2017 Kia Forte SX trim level. That's the very top of trim level. Car has a 2-liter engine, 6-speed automatic transmission, comes with sunroof, alloy wheels, signal repeaters in the mirrors, fog lights, and a whole bunch of other stuff that we're going to talk about. Also told the car is done up in a beautiful blue color. Come around the driver's side, give you a view down the side of the car. Opening the door. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. This top button is to retract the exterior mirrors. They fold in towards the car. If you turn that on, car also has a driver's memory seat with 2 positions. Driver's seat is also powered. On the floor is your trunk and gas door release. Car has traction control, heated steering wheel, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure, and a button to control the lights on the dash. Forte only has 23,921 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as Bluetooth and other functions for the car. Looking up, we have a sunroof. Inside, we have navigation. We also have Sirius XM radio and a backup camera, so we have a multifunction display. Down below that we have a dual zone climate control, auxiliary and USB input ports as well as charging ports, heated and cooled front seats for driver and passenger, as well as a drive mode control, and of course the shifter for the automatic transmission. Seats are done up in a gorgeous black leather. Just going to pop the trunk while we're here. In the rear, again, we have leather seating. We also have heating in the back here for the comfort of your passengers. Going to the back of the car, plenty of room in that trunk to carry some groceries, sports gear, athletic equipment, anything you need to carry. Shot of that SX badging. So this absolutely gorgeous 2017 Kia Forte SX, done up in blue with black leather, is available at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, 20 minutes from about anywhere in the Lower Mainland. Or if you're from anywhere else, give us a call, text us, or send us an email on this car. We're open from 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sunday, and most holidays. Don't wait. Give us a call today. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.